So recently I've been looking for a sling bag to carry my compact camera around, which is not too big, but is still able to fit in my camera and some extra accessories. And since I'm in contact with ALPAKA, I actually talked to them about my requirement and they actually sent me this, the Metro Sling V2. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my experience using it for a week now, and you can decide whether you like this bag or not. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So this is the Metro Sling V2 from ALPAKA, okay? And I really like it because it's exactly the size I want. Recently, I have gotten myself the Leica Deluxe 8. I can actually fit it inside here, so I'm actually very happy, okay? So to start off, I want to tell you about the bag first. This thing comes in two colors, black and also army green. Of course, when they ask me, what color you want? I say I want black because it is able to match my outfits easier than the army green color, okay? So the capacity of this bag is 2.5 liters and the length is 6.5 inches, height is 8.66 inches and the depth is 3.15 inches. And the fabric that they're using for the exterior is called ExoFlux 300D, which is a 100% recycled fiber fabric, okay, in both the colors that I mentioned just now. Okay, so let's take a look at the different compartments and how we are able to fit things inside this bag, okay? On the front here, we actually have a quick access front compartment with slip pockets inside. So as you can see on the front here, there is a small pocket which they call the slip pocket, okay, for us to put coins or maybe an air tag. And the front compartment here actually has this little thing called hub key tether, whereby we can hang our keys here and we can remove it easily using this magnet clip. Now before we move on to the main compartment, as you can see, the zip, they are actually using the YKK AquaGuard silent zippers, okay, which is also water resistant. So in case you are carrying your cameras outside for a street photography and it suddenly rains, don't worry because the rain will never go through the zippers. Now when it comes to the main compartment interior, the first thing we see is the label at the top here. ALPAKA keep moving forward, okay, they have this label in all their bags lah. Then when you see inside, there's actually a big compartment here with some small pockets in front of it, okay? So these small pockets, we can probably fit like SD cards, AirTag, or even like a pen or pencil on the side, okay? So on the other side of this bag, we can see a large pocket with a rubber opening. So it's more flexible, hence we are able to put in, like for example, a small notebook, you know, power bank and stuff like that. In the main compartment, it is actually big enough to fit my compact camera, of course. So at this point of time, I have the Ricoh GR3X with me, hence it is able to fit in very nicely. Along with it, I can also fit in other stuff like for example, my Swiss Army knife and also my sunglasses. Now at the top, we actually have this handle and it's called the webbing grab handle, okay, which is very convenient because as you can see, right, this thing is a vertical sling bag, hence when we walk around we can actually carry it on the top. And the bag actually opens to the front. Your camera and other stuff will not fall out when you want to open it as wide as you can. On both sides of the bags are these accessory loops, okay? There are 3 on the left and 3 on the right side, okay? So with these loops, you can hang any accessories you want while carrying this bag. For example, now I'm actually attaching this hub carabiner onto one of these accessory loops to carry my car keys. Now at the back is where we hang our mag locks clips, okay, that's what they are calling this thing. Very simple. So to attach on, right, we just need to clip both things together, and to remove, we just need to press this little button and it will come straight off, which is very simple. In case suddenly you don't want to wear this and you just want to use the handle on top, you can. Now from my experience using it for the past 1 week, I really love what it does, but there is one very big problem. But I shall share it with you after I show you how I fit all my things inside the bag, okay? Let's go. So what's the big problem that I discovered with this Metro Sling V2? Now when I'm carrying it, right, because it is a sling, a vertical sling, it will go down based on gravity in this particular spot in front of my body, okay? And when I'm walking, it actually brushes my arm every single time I swing my arm, and that causes friction, okay? And it's not comfortable if we wear this the whole day because it will keep scratching the arms, the inside part of our arms. Hence, if you were to get this bag, you just need to note that this thing will happen no matter what. There's no way to stop it because even though you push it to the front a little bit, it will come back to the same position due to the gravity pulling this vertical sling down. Even if you put it to the side a little bit, which is a little bit more difficult because then your arms will have to open up while you walk. But having said that, I would still want to carry this bag because it really serves the purpose that I want it to. So the price for this is 247 ringgit, okay? So if you think about it, with all these things included in the bag, I feel it is quite worth it because the quality is also very good, okay? And if you feel like you want to get one of these, you can click on the link below this video, and you can probably also check out more bags from ALPAKA on their website, okay? So if you love videos about bags and accessories and also gadgets, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!